Geodesign barriers. E51 elemental flood barrier. 90-degree outer corner setup guide. Positioning E51 metal supports. Begin by positioning two E51 metal supports relative to the straight barrier, one at a 45-degree angle and the other at a 90-degree angle. Mounting the corner panels. First, mount the E51 45-degree outer corner panel by aligning the keyhole cut on the corner panel with the keyhole cut on the straight section panel. Lift both panels together, then press and slide down to lock them into position. Secure the opposite end of the corner panel by sliding the barrier support in from behind, ensuring it locks securely. Repeat the process with the second corner panel. Align the keyhole cut, lift both panels simultaneously, press, and slide to secure. Slide the metal support in from behind on the opposite side of the corner panel to finalize the attachment. Building out from the corner. Continue to extend the barrier outward from the corner you've just created. For detailed guidance on this step, please refer to our video guide for building straight sections. Rolling out the membrane. Carefully unroll the membrane, folding the top over by 10 to 15 centimeters or 4 to 6 inches. Use sealer clips to secure the membrane's position. Extend the poly membrane 3 meters or 10 feet from the barrier in the same direction. Then fold the extended part back by rotating the roll by 90 degrees. Continue to adjust the excess membrane to ensure the outer perimeter is at least 1 meter or 3 feet away from the barrier, minimizing any potential seepage. Adding loading chains. Follow the instructions from the E51 setup guide for straight sections to attach the edge chain. In windy conditions, it is recommended to add a garland chain atop the barrier to enhance the stability of the poly membrane. Place this chain over the top as an effective measure to anchor the membrane. Complete the setup by threading cable ties through the pre-punched holes on the edge chain, tightening them to ensure that it stays securely in place on the membrane. This video guide ensures your 90-degree outer corner to the E51 flood barrier is correctly installed and prepared to effectively manage water levels up to 51 centimeters or 20 inches, leveraging the self-anchoring feature provided by the water's weight for dependable protection. For more detailed information and additional resources, visit geodesignbarriers.com.